Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to install Google Classroom in your laptop. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop I just open Chrome browser and I just go to Google Classroom in Google search. Yes, it will lead into Google Classroom website, official website. So if you are using Gmail account, you have to sign in via google.com, that is Google Classroom. So just click a sign in, you will go to Google Classroom. So once you click a Google Classroom, classroom.google.com will be open here. So as you see here, don't see the classes, try the another account. For example, if you have a classroom CS, you can join the classroom or create the classroom. So now you can join the classroom and create the classroom to collaborate with your students, and you can access. Now I don't want to go to this website, I just want to install this application in my laptop. What I have to do here? So just open the Google Classroom, and on your right hand side you will find an option called three dots. Just hit the button three dots and you will find an option called install Google Classroom. So just hit the button install Google Classroom. It will ask you for install app. Yes, I just want to install the app. Just click install. Once you click the install option, automatically Google Classroom will be created as an application, as you see here, so that you can able to see and create and join the classrooms. I just minimize this option so I can able to see in my desktop the Google Classroom application will be open as a shortcut. Just hit the button, automatically it will open like a pop-up window. This is called for Google application, Google Classroom application. I can try to create classes and join the classes. So use your Gmail account to create your account and create a classroom with a different types of angle and access your entire classroom. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.